Hello, welcome to Scrap Time. My name's Christine, and in this video I'm going to show you a bit about acrylic pouring. And this is a painting I had done before, and I've now sort of painted over it. And there are a little bit of acrylic pours here, more like just sort of smooshed around. Like down here, if you move down, you can see here we have some cells going on in that. So with this, I plan on doing layers on top of it until I'm interested in where it is, but I want to show you the basics to how to do an acrylic pour. So the first thing you need to do is mix colors, and I'm using some things that I've already been painting with. That's why there's already paint in here. And even though this was a darker pink, I'm going to use a magenta in there, and if it mixes, great. I'm not really concerned. Now you want to do about 1/4 paint, or 1 part paint to 4 parts pouring medium. And I just sort of do it. I don't measure so much. I probably need a bit more, but that's the end of the bottle. I'm going to see if it will be enough. So this here is pouring medium, and I'm using all of Dina Wakley media paints and mediums. And then you need to put in the cell creator. And so you only really need 1 or 2 drops of it. And now I'm going to mix it up. And that is how you mix your paints. You have 1 part paint, 4 parts pouring medium, and 1 or 2 drops of the cell creator. And so I've already pre-mixed a bunch of other colors. So the first one I'm going to do is what's referred to as a dirty pour. So you can see I already have some paint in there, but I'm going to pour paints in here and then dump it down onto my canvas. So on the side over here, I have a bunch of different paints. So I'm just going to pour some in here. Now I haven't done a lot of pours, so I'm not the pro at it, but regardless, it's fun to experiment. I'm going to put a bit of white, a bit of pink, and a bit of orange to top it up. And then I am just going to pour it so from here I'm going to angle my painting and just let it ooze down. Now because this is such a large painting, that's why I said I'm going to do multiple things on it. Now if you're a professional, then you can do this all, you would make enough paint and put it in the middle and do it all in one. But for me, it's more about experimenting and having fun. So that's why I'm doing it in sections and seeing what comes of it. You can see those cells being created. So that's cool, and I can even take my little card. I might just sort of leave it like that so you get those. So that is what is referred to as a dirty pour. The other option is you can just pour some colors down. So I'm going to pour some white down. I'm going to move my white around. And then pour some color just into it. And as I do this, you're still going to get the cells being made. Now when you buy the pouring medium, you can buy a kit that has some cell creator and a small bottle of medium. And then you can buy larger bottles of medium as well. And if you do plan on giving it a try, I'd probably get some of the larger bottles as well, because I've already gone through one small bottle and one large bottle, because you just want to keep playing and experimenting. And so you'll want to have a lot of medium that you can do that with. And I'm just randomly doing stuff now, literally pouring it. Now, of course, you can do this on smaller pieces as well. I just happen to have this large canvas or board I wanted to paint over, so I thought I would use it for all my playing and experimenting. So by the time I finish this, it's not going to look anything like this, but I just want to give you some idea of how to do it and the different effects that you can create with it. If you want to do this type of pouring, you'll every time it does it, it'll come out differently, so you can't really predict what's going to happen. Or if you want to do the free pouring, then you have a little bit more control with the colors and how they all interact with each other. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye bye.